Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 50. Determine the average propensity to consume if total national income is 250 million naira and total national consumption is 25 million naira. So A 0.1, B 0.2, C 0.4, D 1, E 10. So what we are looking to calculate is the average propensity to consume, represented by A, P, C. So the average propensity to consume is a measure of the fraction of the total disposable income consumed. Now, how is it calculated? It is simply calculated by dividing total consumption by the total income, and in this case is national. So quickly doing that, consumption is 25 million, so 25 million. So let's represent it in full. 5 million divided by 250 million naira. So if you divide this, the answer is 0.1. So 0.1 is option A, and A is the correct answer, the average propensity to consume. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.